If you are a true chocolate lover, this video is for you. Today we're making not one but two indulgent chocolate desserts, a gooey chocolate chip cookie cake and a decadent Belgian chocolate tart. Let's get started. For the chocolate chip cookie cake, start by taking a mixing bowl and add butter, brown sugar and regular sugar. Whisk everything together until the mixture turns light and fluffy. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Sieve in all-purpose flour, baking powder and a pinch of baking soda. Mix until well combined. Now add a generous amount of chocolate chips and give it a final mix. At this point, your mixture will look crumbly. Now gradually add milk, just enough to bring the dough together into a soft cookie base. Now transfer this dough into a grease and lined baking dish. Smoothen the top and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Now let it cool slightly before demolding. And there you have it, a giant cookie cake that's crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a swirl of chocolate buttercream. Now let's move on to our second dessert, an elegant Belgian chocolate tart. Start with the tart crushed. In the bowl, combine flour, powdered sugar and cocoa powder. Now add cold unsalted butter and use your fingers to rub it into the flour until you get a breadcrumb-like texture. Gradually add milk a little at a time and bring the mixture together into a dough. Now flatten the dough slightly and wrap in a cling film and refrigerate for at least 20 minutes. Once chilled, roll it out like a roti and carefully place it onto your tart shell. Press it down firmly and trim the edges. Now bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, then set aside to cool. Now for the filling, heat a mix of milk, cream, sugar and egg yolks into a saucepan. Stir continuously until it reaches a gentle simmer. Now pour this hot custard mixture over Belgian dark chocolate. Let it sit for a minute, then blend until smooth and silky. Now fill your baked tart shell with this rich chocolate ganache. Refrigerate for 3 hours or until set. Now finish it up with chocolate shreds, whipped cream or your favorite toppings. And there you go, two chocolate desserts with two different textures. Try them out and treat yourself to something truly sweet. For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.